So Bobby picked us up off the highway to take us over to the brewery where we were going to stay tonight, and then he offered us a stay at his place, this gorgeous home on this beautiful property, and it has been truly a treat. But I cannot even tell you the words of how much generosity he has given us and how kind of a man he is. And, it's awesome. I love to meet people like this. Get him, Dozer. Get the doggos. Get him. Attack. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, because we had to go over one?
Yeah. We head to the parking lot.
Oh.
Supposedly, this is called the Ledges, which we're going to check out. Whew. Hey. Hi.
95 bottles of beer on the wall, 95 bottles of beer! Take one down, pass it around, 94 bottles of beer on the wall, 94 bottles of beer on the wall, 94 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around, 94 bottles of beer on the wall.
Headed to the overlook, McAfee knob. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gorgeous. The iconic picture that everyone takes. Oh wow.
They made it like 500 miles.
I was on night watch for rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, I stayed up.